If you're hearing strange noises coming from your boiler, don't worry too much. Boilers are mechanical objects and are bound to make some noise from time to time. However, there are some noises you should listen out for, and each one has specific causes and solutions. Let's take a look at some of the most common noisy boiler problems. If you hear an unusual loud banging or clanging noise from your boiler, it could mean there's a blockage, such as an airlock in the system, sludge build-up causing a restriction, or even pump failure. If your boiler makes a loud bang when it starts up, this could indicate an ignition problem. To fix this, you'll need one of our gas-safe registered engineers to investigate and safely remedy the problem. Click on the link below to arrange a visit. Gurgling noises are often just water moving around the heating system. But if they continue after the boiler is up to temperature or get louder over time, it could indicate trapped air in your radiators or low water pressure in the system. In order to release air from your radiators, you'll need to bleed them. Check out this video to help do just that. If this doesn't stop the gurgling, you may have a blocked condensate pipe or trap. If it's very cold outside, the problem is likely to be a frozen condensate pipe. Click on this video to check out how to fix this yourself. If it's not cold outside, we'll need to look a little deeper. Get in touch with one of our BOXT experts through the live chat on our website, who will be able to advise you further. Consistent vibrating noises could be caused by a loose or poorly fitted boiler case, a worn or incorrectly set pump, or a worn fan. Don't try to investigate this yourself. Just get in touch on the link below and we'll arrange for one of our gas-safe registered engineers to take a look. Kettling sounds like this. And it occurs when the flow of water through the boiler slows down, usually due to a restriction, and is heated up too quickly. This could be caused by water circulation issues, a fault with your pump, or excess limescale or magnetite sludge in the heat exchangers. It's best to get in touch on the link below, and we'll get one of our gas-safe registered engineers to review the root cause of the kettling. A change in the speed of water flow in your heating system could cause loud humming noises. The problem might be a restriction within the boiler or system pipework, which could be resolved by something as simple as changing the pump speed or flushing the system. One of our gas-safe registered engineers can sort this out for you. Just click the Get in Touch link below. If your boiler is making a different noise to the ones that we've mentioned, or you're not sure which applies to you, then click the link below and we can help you dig a little deeper into any other root causes.